Breaking news now coming in. Let's touch upon the Indian perspective as well. We are learning that the top leaders of all main political parties are going to meet at 10 a.m. in the parliament, and after that a decision will be taken on the government making a statement in the parliament on Bangladesh's scenario. We have CNN News 18's Payal Mehta in fact joining us live on the broadcast. All right, we have CNN News 18's Anshul Singh joining us live on the broadcast. Anshul, all right, I think we lost connection with Anshul over there. Payal, coming back to you, please walk us through all the details that you have received straight from your sources with regards to what exactly is going to be discussed in the parliament, what kind of decision making can be looked upon.
Well, of course, if you remember, Sakshi, yesterday several members of parliament, especially from the eastern state of Bengal, etc., had made a comment, and they wanted to seek a response from the government given the Bangladesh situation, because they do fear that there will be a huge influx of refugees into their respective states. Also, importantly, Mamata Banerjee asked, the party leaders to keep quiet on the entire issue and wait for the direction from the centre. So, looking at the gravity of the situation, the government has convened an all-party meeting. It's going to be a meeting of all major political parties who have been invited. From the government, you'll have Union Home Minister Amit Shah, the Foreign Affairs Minister Mr. Jaishankar, Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister, and Kiran Rijiju, the Parliamentary Affairs Minister, will be briefing this all-party delegation in terms of what really is transpiring in Bengal, beg your pardon, in Bangladesh, and what to expect in the coming days. So obviously, since the Parliament session is on, it's a duty of the government to take Parliament into, into confidence as well. Even after that, if the government decides to go ahead with Mr. Jaishankar's statement, which currently looks unlikely at the moment, given the fact that they believe the all-party meeting, they've convened the all-party meeting at 10 o'clock in the morning in Parliament.
Right, Payal. Thank you so much for walking us through all those crucial details with regards to the Indian perspective at this point of time. We'll keep coming back to you for more developments as and when that meeting happens and when we finally hear a word coming in from the government as well. Right now, time to slip into a very short commercial break here on CNN News 18. Do stay with us. We'll come right back with more on the other side.